Hey there, fitness warriors! Welcome to our channel. Are you ready to transform your body and your life? Today, we're diving headfirst into 5 daily habits that are absolutely essential for effective weight loss. No more fad diets, no more gimmicks. We're talking about sustainable changes that will help you achieve real, lasting results. So, buckle up, get ready to work, and make sure to stick around till the end for a special tip that will supercharge your weight loss journey. Listen up, because this first habit is a simple one, but it's a game changer. Are you ready? It's drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning. Now you might be thinking, water? Seriously? But trust me on this. When you wake up, your body is naturally dehydrated after hours of sleep. Drinking water right away helps to jumpstart your metabolism, which is like revving up your engine for the day. And don't underestimate the power of staying hydrated throughout the day. It helps curb those pesky cravings and keeps everything running smoothly. Think of water as your body's internal cleansing system. It helps flush out toxins and impurities that can slow you down and make you feel sluggish. When you're properly hydrated, your body can function at its best, which includes burning calories more efficiently. Plus, let's be real, sometimes our bodies confuse thirst for hunger. So, before you reach for that bag of chips, drink a glass of water and see if you're actually hungry or just thirsty. Now, I know some people struggle with drinking enough water, so here's a pro tip. Keep a water bottle with you at all times. Fill it up in the morning and make it a goal to finish it by noon. Then refill and repeat. You can even add some lemon or cucumber slices for a little flavor boost. Remember, consistency is key. Make drinking water a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, and your body will thank you. All right, let's talk about exercise. We all know it's important, but finding the time and motivation can be a real challenge. Now, before you start making excuses, hear me out. You don't need to be a fitness fanatic or spend hours at the gym to see benefits. I'm not talking about spending hours at the gym every day. In fact, you can achieve great results with just a small commitment. We're talking about incorporating a manageable 30-minute workout into your daily routine. It's all about making it a habit. And the best part? It doesn't have to be anything crazy. You can start with simple exercises that you enjoy. Find an activity you genuinely enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, hiking, or even playing a sport. The key is to keep it fun, or even just going for a brisk walk. Walking is one of the easiest and most accessible forms of exercise. The key is to get your heart rate up, break a sweat, and challenge your body. This helps improve your cardiovascular health and overall fitness. Listen, I get it. Life gets busy, and sometimes it feels impossible to squeeze in a workout, but it's all about prioritizing your health. But here's the thing. You don't need to work out for hours to see results. Even short, consistent workouts can be incredibly effective. Even short bursts of activity can make a difference. The key is consistency. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a great option for those short on time. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise most days of the week. This can include activities like brisk walking, cycling, or even gardening. And remember, something is always better than nothing. Even a 10-minute workout can boost your mood and energy levels. So even if you can only fit in 15 minutes, it's still a step in the right direction. Stretching and light exercises can also be very beneficial. One of the best ways to stay motivated is to find a workout buddy or join a fitness class. Having someone to share the experience with can keep you accountable. Having someone to sweat it out with can make all the difference. You can encourage each other and celebrate your progress together. Plus, it's a great way to socialize and make new friends who share your fitness goals. Building a community around your fitness journey can be incredibly rewarding. And don't be afraid to try new things. Experimenting with different types of workouts can keep things interesting and prevent boredom. Step outside your comfort zone and explore different types of workouts until you find something you love. Whether it's yoga, Pilates, or kickboxing, there's something for everyone. Remember, fitness should be fun and empowering, not a chore. Find what works for you and make it a part of your lifestyle. Your body and mind will thank you. You've heard it a million times, but I'm going to say it again. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. And no, a sugary latte and a donut don't count. We're talking about a balanced, nutritious breakfast that will fuel your body and set you up for success. Think protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. This combination will keep you feeling full and satisfied, preventing those mid-morning cravings that can derail your progress. Trust me, starting your day right is key to winning the weight loss battle. Section 2. Power up with protein. Protein is your best friend when it comes to weight loss. It keeps you feeling fuller for longer, helps stabilize your blood sugar levels, and supports muscle growth and repair. We need those muscles firing to burn calories, people. Aim for at least 20 grams of protein at breakfast. Some great options include eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or even a protein smoothie. Section 3. Don't fear the fat. Healthy fats are an essential part of a balanced diet, even when you're trying to lose weight. They help you feel satisfied, support hormone production, and improve nutrient absorption. We're talking about the good fats found in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Don't be afraid to add a dollop of avocado to your eggs or sprinkle some chia seeds on your yogurt. Just remember to keep your portions in check, as healthy fats are still calorie-dense. You've conquered your morning workout, but the fitness journey doesn't end there. It's just the beginning of a day filled with opportunities to keep moving and stay active. The key to maintaining a healthy lifestyle isn't just about that one intense workout session. It's about integrating movement into every part of your day. We're talking about NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. This might sound complex, but it's actually quite simple. NEAT refers to all the calories you burn through non-exercise activities. These are the movements you make throughout the day that aren't part of a structured workout. This is where you burn calories doing everyday activities. Think about all the little things you do: walking to the kitchen, tidying up your living space, or even just standing while you talk on the phone. All these actions contribute to your overall calorie burn. Think about it: walking to the mailbox, taking a stroll around your neighborhood, or even pacing while you think. These small movements might seem trivial, but they play a significant role in keeping you active. Taking the stairs instead of the elevator, opting for the stairs can make a big difference. It's a simple choice that can significantly increase your daily activity level. Even fidgeting burns more calories than just sitting still. Yes, those little movements like tapping your foot, shifting in your seat, or playing with a pen can add up over time. These small changes might seem insignificant, but they add up big time over the course of a day. Imagine the cumulative effect of all these tiny movements. They can make a substantial difference in your overall energy expenditure. Don't underestimate the power of NEAT. It's a powerful tool in your fitness arsenal. By making small, consistent changes, you can boost your metabolism and enhance your overall health. It's not about running a marathon every day. It's about making conscious choices to move your body more. You don't need to engage in extreme physical activities to stay fit. It's about making conscious choices to move your body more. For instance, choosing to walk instead of driving for short distances can have a significant impact on your daily activity level. Remember, a sedentary lifestyle is the enemy, so get up and get moving. Let's get practical. How can you easily incorporate more movement into your day? Start by planning your daily routine with activity in mind. Make a to-do list that includes physical tasks. Start by setting realistic goals. These goals should be achievable and tailored to your current fitness level. For example, aim to take a certain number of steps each day or to stand up and stretch every hour. You don't need to go from 0 to 60. Gradually increase your activity level. If you're used to sitting for hours, start with small changes. If you're used to sitting for hours, start with a 10-minute walk during your lunch break. This small step can make a big difference. Start with a 10-minute walk during your lunch break. Enjoy the fresh air and take a moment to clear your mind. Park farther away from the store entrance. This simple change can add extra steps to your day without much effort. Stand up and stretch while you're on the phone. Use these moments to get your blood flowing and muscles moving. The key is to find opportunities to move that fit seamlessly into your daily life. Look for ways to integrate movement into your routine without disrupting your schedule. Make it a habit, and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Consistency is crucial. The more you incorporate these small movements, the more natural they will become. Remember, consistency is key, so find what works for you and stick with it. Everyone's routine is different, so tailor your activities to fit your lifestyle. Staying active throughout the day isn't just about burning extra calories. It's about feeling better overall. You'll have more energy, improved mood, and better sleep. Who doesn't want that? It's about feeling better overall. You'll have more energy, improved mood, and better sleep. Who doesn't want that? When you move more, your body releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. It's about making a commitment to your health and well-being. By staying active, you're investing in your future self. It's about feeling strong, confident, and capable. Regular movement helps build muscle strength and endurance, which boosts your confidence. So ditch the excuses and make a change. It's easy to find reasons not to move, but the benefits far outweigh the effort. Your body will thank you for it. Remember, you're worth it. Taking care of your body is a form of self-respect and self-love. Now, let's move on to another crucial habit for weight loss: getting enough sleep. Quality sleep is essential for recovery and overall health. We've talked about diet and exercise, but let's talk about a crucial piece of the puzzle that often gets overlooked: sleep. Sleep is not just a passive state where your body and mind shut down. It's an active period where a lot of important processing, restoration, and strengthening occurs. It's the foundation upon which your physical and mental health stands. You heard me right. Sleep. It's the secret weapon in your health arsenal that can make or break your wellness journey. Believe it or not, sleep is just as important as diet and exercise when it comes to losing weight and keeping it off. Think of it as the third pillar of a healthy lifestyle. Without it, the other two pillars, diet and exercise, can't hold up the structure on their own. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can lead to increased belly fat storage. Cortisol is your body's built-in alarm system, and when it's constantly elevated, it can wreak havoc on your metabolism. Not only that, but lack of sleep can also mess with your hunger hormones, making you crave sugary, fatty foods. Ghrelin, the hormone that stimulates appetite, goes up, while leptin, the hormone that signals fullness, goes down. This imbalance can lead to overeating and poor food choices, and we all know where those cravings lead: straight to derailing your progress. It's a vicious cycle. Poor sleep leads to poor food choices, which leads to weight gain, which can then lead to even worse sleep. So, how much sleep do you really need? It's not just about the quantity, but also the quality of sleep. Most adults need around 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. That's non-negotiable, people. Quality sleep means going through multiple sleep cycles, including deep sleep and REM sleep, which are crucial for physical and mental restoration. Start by creating a relaxing bedtime routine. This helps signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Put away your phone and computer at least an hour before bed, dim the lights, and avoid any stimulating activities. The blue light emitted by screens can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, and unwind with a hot bath or a good book. These activities can help lower your stress levels and prepare your mind for a restful night. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet to promote optimal sleep. Consider using blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine if necessary. And if you're still struggling to get those Z's, talk to your doctor. There might be underlying issues like sleep apnea or insomnia that need to be addressed. Keeping a sleep diary or using a sleep tracker can also help you identify patterns and make necessary adjustments. Sometimes small changes can make a big difference. Remember, sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's as vital as the air you breathe and the water you drink. It's when your body repairs and rebuilds itself after a long day. During sleep, your body goes into repair mode, fixing damaged tissues, building muscle, and strengthening your immune system. It's when you recharge your batteries and prepare to conquer the day ahead. Waking up refreshed and energized sets a positive tone for the entire day. So make sleep a priority. Schedule it like you would any other important activity. Your body will thank you for it, and you'll see the results in your weight loss journey. Better sleep leads to better choices, more energy for exercise, and a more balanced life. Now let's wrap things up. Remember, sleep is the unsung hero of health and wellness. Remember, these daily habits are not a quick fix, but a lifestyle change. Incorporating good sleep hygiene into your routine is a long-term investment in your health. Consistency is key, and the results will be worth it. Over time, you'll notice improvements not just in your weight, but in your overall well-being. Now let's move on to the outro. Stay committed, stay consistent, and most importantly, get enough sleep. That's it for today's video on daily habits for weight loss. Remember, these small changes can make a big difference in your journey to a healthier, happier you. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent and making sustainable changes that you can stick with for the long haul. So get out there and crush your goals. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and fitness content. See you next time.